Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you will be fine at your home. In previous lecture, we have completed Economics Lesson 3, Money and Credit. Dear students, today we start Civics Lesson number 6, Political Party. In this lesson, we read what is political party, how many components of political party, what are the main function of political party, why do we need a political party, how many political parties are found in our country, what are their policies and programs. So let's start firstly the definition of political party. What is political party? Political party is an organization of people who come together to contest the election and control political power. Political party is an organization of the people who come together to contest the election and run the government. How many components in our political party have? There are 3 components in political party have. First is the leader, second is the active member, and third is the follower. So students, we read the definition of political party and its component. Let's start the function of political party. What are the main function of the political party here? Firstly, first function is contest election. In political party, firstly the main function is contest the election. Top leaders choose the candidate to contest the election. Next is frame policies and program. The main function of the political party is frame the policies and the program. Political party accommodate different views and opinions. Then form and run the government. Political party first win in the election, firstly contest the election, win in the election, and then form the government and run the government. Prepare council of ministers by recruiting and training the leader. Then fourth function is play the role of opposition. Those party lose in the election, they become the opposition. Opposition play very important role by criticizing the policy of the running government, by checking the policy of the running government. Shape public opinion by raising different issues. Political party can shape the public opinion by raising the different type of issues. Last function is play decisive role in law making. Finally, laws are debated and passed in the legislature. But most of members belonging to a party go by the direction of the party, these personal issues. So students, these are the function of the political party. First function is contest election. Second is frame policies and program. Third is form and run the government. Play the role of opposition. Shape public opinion by raising public issues. And play decisive role in law making. Students, now next question is, why do we need political party? Political party are easily one of the most visible institutions in a democracy. Political parties have become identified with social and political division. 100 years ago, there were a few countries in the world where there were political party, but now there is opposite. Now had few countries in the world that had not political party. So students, we read the topic, why do we need a political party? Next is, what is the importance of political party to have? Firstly, we have the importance of political party that we need political party because they perform all these functions, those which we read already. Second is, as we have seen, large-scale societies need representative democracy. Political party is necessary to fulfill the needs that every representative government has during the election time. Political party directly linked to the emergence of the representative democracy. So students, we read the importance of the democracy. In next part, we will read how many party system we have. Once again, we read about the political party. What is political party? Political party is the organization of the people who contest the election and run the government. It has three components: the leader, the active members and followers. Now, what are the main function of the political party have? Contest election, frame policies and program, form and run the government, play the role of opposition, shape public opinion by raising public issues, and play decisive role in law making. Then we read why do we need a party system in our country? What is the importance of political party to have? So friends, in next part we will read about the different party system. One party system, two party system and multi-party system. Thanks. Stay home, stay safe.